In this tutorial, we're going to cover some basic Excel shortcuts. Now, the first shortcut we'll cover is bold. So we can either do Alt-H+1 or Control-B. And I'll do Control-B here. And I'll also do Alt-H1, which will undo it. So I'm going to go back and Control-B again. The next one we're going to do is Italicize. So we could either do Alt-H2 or we could do Control-I. Now you can see once we press Alt, we have these keys up here. We could follow by pressing H for home. And now we can see here 2. Next, we can do underline. So we could either do Alt H3, and you can see here it gives us this other option, and we can press enter, or even simpler, we could just do Control U. Next, we're going to do font color. So this one's going to be Alt H, and now here we could see FC for font color. And now we can use the arrow keys to press around and choose a font color. Lastly, we're going to do fill color. There's no direct logic to this one, but it's going to be Alt H H, and once again, we can press around with our arrow keys to choose a fill color. And this is just 5 of many shortcuts in Excel that'll hopefully speed up some of your analysis.